You need to watch this if you struggle with finding a maternity hospital for your cat. Finding the right place for your pregnant cat can be stressful. Start by asking your vet for recommendations. Local animal shelters often have great advice. Look online for specialized veterinary clinics near you. Check reviews and make sure they have maternity services. Ask if they offer 24/7 emergency care. Remember, the goal is a safe and comfy place for your cat to give birth. Keep calm, follow these tips, and you'll be ready to welcome those adorable kittens. I hope you can provide worthy assistance to your treasure, and subscribe for more videos.